Our mission at Plant Pono is to reduce the sale, cultivation, and use of invasive plants in Hawaii properties and different commercial areas. And so a lot of what we do here during Native Hawaiian Plant Month is having these classes across Hawai'i Island communities to basically promote the sale of both native plants, which are endemic to Hawaii, as well as our canoe plants, which were brought over from different Polynesian islands to help sustain our Native Hawaiian communities from before and even till today.
Plant Pono endorsed nurseries are ones that are doing the right thing because they believe that protecting Hawaii from invasive species is a great way to protect our island. We are hoping to invoke more interest from residents to grow native.
I think most people want to plant Pono. They want to plant responsibly, but they need the information. Programs like this empower people to know what to plant to be respectful to Hawaii and to the land.
We've had a chance to actually engage with native plants, get to meet people who can answer questions, because one of the big challenges is if you look around, we've got a lot of non-natives and they're lovely, they're beautiful, but a lot of people default to those, not realizing that there are native plants that are suited to this environment that might be more drought tolerant, better suited for the soil that we have, more resistant to pests, right? Less likely to be damaged. And you don't necessarily know that information readily unless you know where to find it or you come to an event like this.
I think these are so valuable. One, it builds community. I feel like I met a lovely group of people today and people who are really knowledgeable about plants in Hawaii. And so I'm going home better able to teach people in my neighborhood and my friends about native plants and staying away from invasives. So I think this was really valuable, and the people who taught the class were really knowledgeable and helpful and friendly.
Well, I think it's a wonderful way for the community to become involved and understand their sense of place, their surroundings, what belongs here naturally.
It's always great to have an opportunity to see other plants. I mean, I've never had a chance to plant a koa before. We had a chance to do that. Also looking at peely grass, a'ali'i, learning about different things like that.
Natives are not only great for our cultural heritage here, we have lots of all of these different connections that are related to our native plants in particular. Not only that, but native plants require less inputs, so they don't require as much fertilizer, you don't need to put as much soil down. It's really great about natives. You're not going to have to be constantly going in there and amending the soil, and just making sure that there's space for them where they are and giving them lots of aloha. So visiting them often is a great way to just keep our natives out there and to keep our heritage strong where we are.